Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, my voice is clear. All right. Okay. Yesterday, you guys are completed remaining multiplication and subtraction. Boys completed. Everyone. Everyone. Yeah. If I want to do the subtraction, I need to provide G equal to 234. Okay. All right. And K equal to and 1, 2, 3 into Y into T equal to O minus K. O minus K. And system dot out dot println, we need to call inside of the system dot out dot println the value of sub is, we need to call what we need to call, boys? We need to call T. And here you guys are observe into L equals to multiplication 65 and into P equals to 34 and into, okay, R equals to L into P. And system dot out dot println, we need to call the value of multiplication is what I need to call. What is the plus? What is use of the plus? Whatever we provide within the double quote, the data, the plus will be add. Okay, the plus will be add. That is like a concatenation. Now I will execute the code. See guys, you guys are observe here. The value of addition 1, 2, 3, division 7, sub 311, mul 2210. Is it clear? Any doubt? How to write the code inside of the main method? How to write the code inside of the main method? In real time, less usage this type. Mostly we are able to use type 2. Mostly we are able to use type 2. What is the type 2? Tell me. We need to write the code inside of the class. Just I want to click on the public static void main. Just you need to click on public static void main. Click on finish. Once you guys are click on the finish, the second type, we need to write the class, we need to write the code inside of the class through methods wise. Inside of the class through methods wise. It is very, very, very important. Every time in real time also we are using this process. Okay. Starting to Selenium ending, every time we are able to use this process. Okay. Sometimes we are able to use type 1, type 3. But every time we are able to use type 2. In real time also we are able to write type 2. Okay. Why we need to use the type 2 in real time? Why we are not using type 1, type 3 in real time? I will explain once complete the type 2. Is it clear or not? Yeah. The first one, type 2, how to write the code inside of the class through methods wise. How to write the code inside of the class through methods wise. First of all, we need to create method. Tell me what is the syntax of the method? Clear? Clear? And return type is a void. Next, method name. The access modifier is the mandatory or optional? Optional. And return type is the mandatory or optional? Method is the mandatory or optional? Huh? Method name is mandatory or optional? Optional. Very good. Now I will write public void add. This is one method. Clear? Public void. This is one method. Public void. This is one method. Public void. This is one method. Clear? We need to write the code inside of the class through methods wise. We need to write the code inside of the class through methods wise. Clear? And here, one thing, non-IT background people, you guys are remember one thing. See guys, this is the curly braces open. Open. Okay. This curly braces is closed. See, when I click on here, this curly braces will highlighted. You guys are observe. See, that is highlighted. Okay. See, open and close. See, this method is completely open and close is done. This method is not related. This method subtraction. Okay. This is second method. Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. Clear? Okay. See, you guys are observe how many opens is there at the same time. The time 2 open is there. We are expecting 2 close. See, this is class open. Where is this one? You guys are observe. Class open. See, you guys are observe. See, this is highlighted or not? Okay. This is main method is open. See, this is highlighted or not? Yeah. Everything is equal. Okay. If you guys are provide any extra, you guys are getting error. See, you guys are getting error. What is that error? You need to read. Syntax error on token. Delete this token. Is it clear or not? So, the first class open close required, method open close required, main method open close is required. That's it. Whenever you guys are creating the class, open and close is required. Whenever you guys are creating the method, open and close is required. Whenever you guys are click on the main method, open and close is required. That's it. For example, you guys are unfortunately forget the one curly braces, close, class related curly braces, close is not there. See, what is the error here? See, syntax error, insert, curly braces, complete. Okay. See, now I will insert that's it. Is it clear? Clear, everybody? See, guys, whatever you provide, every class or every method or every main method that related open and close curly braces is mandatory. Clear? Yeah. Now I will write the method, first method into A equal to 34 into B equal to 45 into C equal to A plus B, and system dot out dot println the add is, okay, I need to call C here. Okay, this method is completed. A method is nothing but a block of code or implementation. See, this method is completed. This method is not related to this method. This method is not related to this method. Okay, open done, close done, open done, close done. Okay, this is not related to this method. Okay, see, if you want to provide any method information, only you need to provide inside of in that method only. I need to provide add related information, only I am able to provide in that method only. In that method only. Now you guys are observe subtraction into V equal to 256. V equal to 256 and H equal to 113 and into K equal to V minus H. System dot out dot println. We need to provide here the subtraction is we are able to call here K. We are able to call here K. This method related information I provided inside of subtraction. Is it clear? The next one, you guys are observe into L equal to 45 into S equal to 5 into G equal to L by S. Sys dot out dot println. We need to call the div is plus G. The next one into I equals to 23 into Q equals to 45 into X equal to I by Q. I by, not I by. I into Q. Sys dot out dot println. We need to call here the multiplication is, we need to call X. Clear? Clear? Is it clear or not? Every method is completed. Every method is completed. There is no relation between addition and subtraction. Why? Because here close is there, open is there, close is there. This is completely separate. Okay, this is completely separate. Okay, different families. Okay, not only single family. Okay, class is the one community. Inside of the community, different houses is there. Add one house, sub one house, div one house, and multiplication is one house. Is it clear or not? Okay. Then if I want to execute this code, if I want to execute this code, I need to create the object for the class. Now I will explain what is the object. If I want to execute this code, I need to create object for the class inside of main method. It is routine every code. It is routine every code. OBJ is the optional or name is optional or not? Name is optional. Okay. New, we need to call class. Now I will explain identifiers in Java. Object, we put the whole. Object is nothing but a reference of the class. Object is nothing but a reference of the class. Okay. Second step. Anyone join the online? నా వాయిస్ నాకే వినిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. మీరు ఇలా చేశారంటే నాకు వినపడకుండా చేస్తే చేయండి. నాకు వినపడేటట్టు చేశారంటే మాత్రం లింక్ మార్పిచ్చేస్తాను. చేసుకోండి కాదండి. నా వాయిస్ నాకే వినిపిస్తే కొంచెం ఎక్కువ వాయిస్ లాగా ఉంటుంది కొంచెం. డోంట్ డూ లైక్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం. యా, ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్, ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ reference of the class. The second point, if you want to execute any piece of code, must and should, we need to create object for the class inside of main method. If you want to create, if you want to execute any piece of code, must and should, we need to create object for class. That is constant. Second step, how you guys are able to execute all the methods. Third step, if you want to execute all the methods, we need to call all the local methods inside of the main method through object name. If you want to execute all the methods, we call a local methods. All the methods we need to call through object inside of main method. I will repeat one more time. It is very, very important. Okay. Don't neglect and don't forget. Okay. Every time Selenium, Java, okay, API, every time we are able to use this process. Why we need to use this process? Why we are not using type 1 and type 3? I will explain once complete this one. The first step, once create the methods inside of the class. If you want to execute all the methods, once we create the methods inside of the class, step number 1. Step number 2, if you want to execute all the methods, we need to create object for the class. Third step, the object is nothing but a reference of class. Object is nothing but a reference of class. Step number 3. If you want to execute all the local methods, we need to call, if you want to execute all the local methods, we need to call inside of the main method through object name. Inside of the main method through object name. Okay, clear? Yeah. See, without calling the local method, I will execute. You guys are observe. You people are able to get the output. We are unable to get the output. Okay. See. Now I will execute the code. Yeah, that is the two. That's why I know you people are able to get the doubt. That's why I was execute before that one. We are unable to get the output. Okay. Now we are able to get the output. Is it clear or not? 79 and 143 and 1035 and 9. Is it clear? Everybody? Yeah. Coming to the point. Why we need to use this process? Why we are not using type 1 and type 3? Okay. See. Most of testers comes under, listen carefully. Most of testers comes under non-IT background. Am I correct? Yeah. If I want to write a code like this, if I want to write a code inside of the main method, those people are confused. Which method this is? Which method this is? That is the first point. Second point, while executing this code, if I got any error, it will be take some time compare with the type 2. Third step. Third step. In real time, we are able to write 2000 lines, 4000 lines, and 3000 lines of codes. Now it is 30 lines is okay, fine. In real time, we are able to use 3, 4, 5,000 lines of code. The time it is very lengthy code only within the main method. It is not possible. That is impossible. Coming to the type 2. If you want to write the code inside of the class through methods wise, just imagine this is the Amazon application. First method is the all. Second method is the mobile. Third method is the cell. Fourth method is the Amazon mini TV. Separate. Everyone able to understand. Oh, this is the Amazon application. In this Amazon application, this is mobile related information, mobile related code. This is cell related code. This is mini TV related code. This is bestseller related code. Everyone able to understand, non-IT people also. Is it clear? If you want to write same Amazon application here, this is a little bit clumsy. You people are unable to understand which code related to mobile, which code related to Amazon mini TV, which code related to cell. Little bit confused. If you want to verify this code, everyone able to understand. While executing the code, if you guys are getting any error, easy to find out. 5,000 lines of code is there. I got an error. Easy to find out. Why? Because the method name, error name, it will be reflected inside of the console. That is the difference between type 1, type 3 and type 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? You guys are able to understand? Shall I repeat? Yeah. Shall I repeat, guys? Yeah. How to write the code inside of the class through methods wise. If you guys are write the code inside of the class through methods wise, every user able to understand type 2. Why? Because we are all working in Amazon application. Just imagine. In this Amazon application, we have different elements is there. Example, all, Amazon mini TV, sell, bestseller, mobile, and electronics. If I want to write the code inside of the main method, that code it will be take 500 lines. 500 lines. You guys are observe. If you want to write the code inside of the main method, 500 lines, the people are confused. 100% people are confused, which is related. For example, mini TV related code, you guys are unable to find out. Cell related code, you guys are unable to find out if you want to write a code inside of main method. At the same time, if you want to write the code inside of class through methods wise, everyone able to understand. This is the Amazon application. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, this is the Amazon application. Okay, I need to provide cell related code. This is mini TV related code. This is mobile related code. This is bestseller related code. Is it clear now? Everyone able to understand. Once you guys are launched the Amazon, okay, Amazon mini TV is there, cell is there, bestseller is there, mobile is there. Okay, this 4 elements related code is available. Remaining how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 6 element is there. Total 10 elements. Out of 10 elements, 4 elements related code we have. Remaining 6 elements related code is pending. Is it clear now? It is very easy to understand everyone. The same code if I want to write inside of the main method, it is a little bit clumsy. You people are unable to understand. You are not experienced people. You completely confused. You completely confused. So in real time, most of people are able to use, this method. Most of people are able to use this process. Is it clear or not? Clear? Any doubt? Yeah. Type 2, I will explain one more time. Step number 1. Step number 1. We need to create the methods within the class. We need to create the methods within the class. Step number 2. Once we create the methods inside of the class, that methods we need to call inside of main method. Okay, see, before calling we need to create object for the class. I will repeat again. We need to write the methods inside of the class. We need to create the methods inside of the class. Step number 1.
If you want to execute the local methods, we need to create object for class inside of main method. We need to create object for class inside of main method. What is the object? Object is nothing but a reference of the class. Now it is clear object. Now everybody is understand object. Okay, identifiers in Java. Object is pending. Now it is clear. Okay, once we create the object inside of the main method, if you want to execute step number 4, if you want to execute any method inside of the class, we need to call local methods inside of main method through object name. Why we need to create through object name, I will tell you later. If you want to execute local method inside of main method, if you want to execute local methods, that methods we need to call through object name. Okay, now I want to execute the local method obj.minitv, obj.minitv, and obj.bestseller, and obj.sell, and obj.mobile. Clear? You guys are observing here. Remember carefully. If you want to write any method inside of the class, any method of the class, we no need to follow same order. We no need to follow same order. Whatever you provide inside of the main method, this order will execute. Not this order. This order will execute. Is it clear or not? Clear, everybody? If you want to provide any order inside of class, the compiler, the Java compiler will validate whenever you execute the code. The first the compiler focus on here. After the user provide first method, the first method will execute, and after that, based on this order, the code will be executed. Clear? Any doubt? Online? Online? Is it everybody able to write the code without any support? మీరు రాయగలరా ఇప్పుడు కోడ్? రాయగలరా? Okay. Type 2 code. You guys are write down. First one, class name is the Salesforce. Okay. Method name is the login. Inside of the login, you guys are provide addition. Okay. Okay. Login. Next one, free trial. Method names I will tell you. Login, free trial. Yeah, firstly, Salesforce. Method name login, first one. Second one is the second method is the free trial. Third method is the sign up. That's it. Inside of the login addition, inside of the free trial division, you guys are provide anything. Division, multiplication, subtraction, anything. Implementation, you need to provide addition, division, multiplication. That is your wish. Understand or not? Class name is Salesforce. Method name is login, free trial, sign up. Yeah, write down. Online and offline. You guys are write down. Yeah, Salesforce, just Salesforce. That is user defined, just I explained. Salesforce. Why? Because login Salesforce related. Okay. Free trial Salesforce related. Sign up Salesforce related. Type 2 I am expecting. Type verify. I was explained clearly. Okay. First we need to create the class. Inside of the class, we need to write the methods. If you want to execute that methods, we need to create the object for the class inside of the main method. If you want to execute the local methods, we need to call all the methods inside of the main method to object. Yeah, do first. Online, you guys also write down. See, you are unable to understand, I will explain one more time. Okay? Shall I explain? Not required? Okay, write down. Just create the class Salesforce, create the method, first method login, second method free trial, third method sign up. Within the three methods, you guys are provide subtraction, addition, and division. Anything. అర్థమైందా? మెథడ్ లోపల ఏదైనా ప్రొవైడ్ చేయండి. డివిజన్ కానీ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కానీ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ యాజ్ యూ విష్. Just I need to cross check. You people are able to understand all. You know what is the class? User you need to provide. You know syntax of the method. Everything from scratch I was explained. You know what is the variable. Once you guys variable within the class, again same variable you don't need to use. ఏ ఒకసారి వాడారంటే ఏని మళ్ళా వాడకూడదు ఆ క్లాస్ కాపీ పేస్ట్. Guys, once done your code, please share that screenshot in chat box. Try chat. You guys are trying to write. Okay, I will explain again, no problem. Try to write. Right aina, wrong aina, you guys or anything you guys are right down, no problem. I will verify, and where you guys did the mistake, that mistake I will explain, no problem. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. మెథడ్ నేమ్ వచ్చి లాగిన్ లోపల యాడ్ చేయటం కానీ మల్టిపుల్ చేయటం కానీ డివిజన్ కానీ పెట్టండి అని చెప్పా క్లియర్గా. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? పబ్లిక్ వైడ్ లాగిన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద మెథడ్ యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ addition or division or subtraction. 56 plus 26. Okay, or division 35 by 5, like that. No need to write beside addition or something. Yeah, Shweta, I will provide the okay Java still you are facing. Okay, and you need to download anything, not only Java 8, anything you can do, no problem.
Okay, any latest version you can do. Done, guys? Huh? Online guys is completed. ఓకే డన్. మీది అయిపోయిందమ్మా? అయిపోయినంత వరకు ఇవ్వండి. కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ ఓపెన్ ఉందా? ఇక్కడ క్లోజ్. ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ ఉందా? ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్, ఇక్కడ క్లోజ్. మెథడ్కి సపరేట్. సేమ్ వేరియబుల్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. ఒకసారి ఒక వేరియబుల్ యూజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత సేమ్ వేరియబుల్ విత్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ లోపల వాడకూడదు. రాశారా ఒకసారి? వెరీ గుడ్. ఐటీయా మీరు? నాన్ ఐటీయా? మీరు ఫస్ట్ బెంచ్, మీరు నాన్ ఐటీయేనా? మీరు ఐటీ తెలుసు. క్లియర్? ఓకే guys, very good. And I think out of 100%, 80% you people are did great job. Okay, I will repeat again one more time. The code I will repeat. Very good guys. Okay, same you guys are need to do same process every time. Just understand the concept. Okay, in the session you guys are understand the concept. Listen, class you need to write only one time. Okay, while creating the class you need to write only one time. Okay, and methods is different. See guys, methods is the open and close, open and close, and open and close. Okay, see, this is you guys are observe clearly. If you want to write the code inside of the class through methods wise, we need to create the methods within the class. And after that, if you want to execute all the methods inside of the class, we need to create object for class inside of main method. Okay, see, the public void method name, it is mandatory. Public is not required, that is optional. You guys are able to provide or not. Okay, see, if you want to execute the local methods, you need to create, if you want to execute local methods, we need to create object for class inside of main method. First step. Second step, if you want to execute all the methods inside of the main method, we need to call that methods through object name obj.minitv, obj.something. Whatever you provide inside of the main method, the Java compiler based on this order will execute one by one. The Java compiler focus on here, not here. Whatever you provide order here, the Java compiler will execute based on this order. Clear? Okay, next time. Okay, after 10 days I will conduct one assignment only on Java. Okay, you guys are unable to understand, please ask me, definitely I will explain number of times. అర్థం కాకుండా వెళ్ళొద్దు. Okay, you are unable to understand, once complete the session, please reach me. Which code you are unable to understand, I will explain in your comfortable language. Clear? That's it. Here, this one, actually while creating the class, the time you need to provide, click on checkbox. You guys are observe.
See here, whenever you click on checkbox here, click on finish. Once provide the class, you click on finish, then automatically it will be reflected. See, I will provide. See, I click on checkbox, click on finish. See, public static void main. Okay, we need to write the methods within the class. Done now? Everyone able to understand? Clear? You guys are able to understand? Everyone? Okay. The next one, syntax, method. Method is the access modifier public. Okay. Void is the return type. Without void, we are unable to. Void is mandatory. Without return type, how you can execute code, I will show you later. Okay. And mobile is the method name that is mandatory. Name is optional, method is mandatory. Clear? Yeah, I will tell you. Let's wait. Clear? Type 2 is completed. Type 2 is completed. Everyone able to understand? Clear? Type 2. Coming to the type 3. Listen. Type 3. Coming to the type 3. What is the type 3? We need to write the code inside of the class through methods with the arguments or parameters. Arguments are parameters. Some people they call arguments. Some people they call parameters. Parameters. Okay. See, you guys are observe clearly. I need to write the method. First method. Okay. Total 3 methods is there. Clear? How many methods is there? This is look like type 2. Am I correct? This is look like type 2. Just little bit change. You guys are observe. Parameters are arguments. I need to pass some parameters inside of the method. I need to pass some parameters or arguments inside of the method. Okay. Into A comma into B. This is we call arguments or parameters. Okay. A is one argument, B is one argument. A is one parameter, B is one parameter. Okay. Listen. Into C equal to A plus B. But where is the data? Where is the data? Huh? If you want to provide any, listen, if you want to provide any argument or parameter inside of the code, if you want to provide any argument or parameter inside of the code or method, that related values always we need to provide inside of main method. If you want to provide any argument or parameter, arguments parameters provide cheste. If you want to provide parameter arguments inside of the method, method lopala provide cheste. Must and should we need to that related information, A related, B related information, we need to provide inside of the main method. We need to provide inside of the main method. when you guys are able to provide, whenever you call the local method inside of the main method, the time you need to provide. Whenever you call local method inside of the main method, the time we need to provide. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? See guys, I will repeat again. If you want to provide any parameter inside of the method, that is clear? Clear? If you want to pass any parameter inside of the method, ఏదైనా పారామీటర్స్ మెథడ్ లోపల పాస్ చేస్తే this related information or related information must and should we need to provide inside of main method. ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆ డేటా మెయిన్ మెథడ్ లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. whenever you call the local method inside of the main method, ఎప్పుడు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తావు? ఎప్పుడైతే కాల్ చేస్తావో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తావు. whenever you call the local methods inside of the main method through object name, then you guys are able to provide. Is it clear? Yeah, I will show you. Let's wait. No problem. I will show you. Into S equal to V minus J. System dot out dot println, I need to call S. System dot out dot println, I need to call C. Okay, and I will provide into Y comma listen into H into D equal to, okay, Y by H. Sys dot out dot println, we need to call D. Clear? Clear everybody? Clear? Now what I'm saying, if you want to provide A value, V value and Y value, only we are able to provide inside of the main method. When? Eppudu? Whenever you call the local method inside of the main method through object name. Before calling, I need to create the object for the class. Obj equal to new and constructor. Obj equal to new constructor. Obj dot, the first one is the add. What I'm saying, whenever you call the local method inside of the main method through object name, see, into A, B. See, we need to provide 67 and 89. Is it clear? 67 is the A value, 89 is the B value. Is it clear everybody? Okay. Now obj dot sub 123 and 111. Obj dot div 45 and 5. Clear? Everyone able to understand now? Clear? Last, clear? Shall I repeat? Is it clear everybody? Now I will execute, right click and run as. 156 is the addition, subtraction is the 12 and division is the 9. Now it is clear everybody? Step number 1. If you want to write the code, we need to write the code within the class methods with the arguments. Step number 2. If you want to execute methods with the arguments code, if you want to execute methods with arguments code. We need to execute, we need to create inside of the main method object for the class. Step number 3. If you want to execute methods with the arguments code, we need to call local methods inside of main method. Inside of main method. Whenever you call the local method inside of the main method, the method related information or data we need to provide within the main method. Is it clear? Clear or not? Online? Is it clear or not? Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Yeah, take the screenshot, first one. Online guys, I think you people are getting different types of issues. I will close the session. Please tell me what type of issue you are able to get. Okay, I will explain. These 3 codes tomorrow, first half you need to write. Yeah, everything I will share. Not now. Okay. Every week, Saturday. Okay. And Sunday. Every day code I am unable to share. Every week, Saturday and Sunday. For example, 10 codes is completed or 15 codes is completed this week. I will share Saturday. All the codes. Yeah, this is type 1. And theoretically, I will explain, guys. Okay. Theoretically, I will explain type 2. Theoretically, I will explain clearly, okay, every type of code. And type 3, first, done now? Yeah, type 2, I will show you again. Okay, these 3 codes tomorrow, first half, okay, everyone, tomorrow, first half, you need to write, okay. See clearly, guys, okay, you no need to provide any mistakes in that code. Okay, I was explained clearly every code, and also you have a screenshots also is there. Okay, before writing in that room, in that hostel, in that house, you need to practice 3-4 times. Okay, 3-4 times, and tomorrow first half I will conduct the assignment. These 3 codes you need to write. Okay, done now? Any doubt? Done? Yeah. And online guys, yeah, we are able to write the type of also. Mahesh, actually I was explained. If you need explanation, Mahesh, I will explain definitely tomorrow. Okay. Before the session, text me. Yeah, definitely. Actually, I was explain in starting session what is use of the void and int. I think you are not attend that session. మీకు డౌట్ ఉందా ఎందుకు వైడ్ వాడుతున్నాం ఎందుకు ఇంటూ వాడుతున్నాము యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ వై వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇంటూ వై వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ వైడ్ why we are using void return type without void we are unable to execute without integer the database unable to recognize this is data or value is it clear without data type the database is unable to understand user provide data or value if you want to declare before the data into the database is able to understand this is the value if you want to provide before the data string the database able to understand this is the data clear definitely Mahesh tomorrow text me first off I will explain yeah that too if you want to provide inter okay in public you guys are able to provide into a comma b comma c comma d comma f comma okay k like this in this time you no need to use actually this is okay pressure level people are unable to understand once I involve java off of the day sorry off of the part then I will explain in deep okay no worries every doubt I will clarify okay all right yeah yeah how to you if you have login in mobile okay take the screenshot and the screenshot you need to go to chart box okay in the chart we have option also is there see file option is there you need to click on file option and go to your expected location and click on this one automatically that will added Shita sorry Shahita okay yeah I will show you one more time type 1 online guys this is the type 1 Dattu this is the type 2 and this is the type 3 okay otherwise you can send the mail Anil Kumar testing 57 at the rate gmail.com yeah my mail is Anil Kumar everything is the small letter Anil Kumar testing at the rate gmail.com Anil Kumar testing 57 at the rate gmail.com okay done clear yeah next one listen listen guys type 1 type 2 type 3 is completed okay clear the next one what is the difference between static method non-static method the next one what is the Sweta that is okay fine no problem What is the difference between static method, non-static method? Clear? Just I need to create one class. Just I click on public static void main, click on finish. You guys are observed clearly. I need to write the code inside of the class methods. Clear? Same type 2. I need to write the code inside of the class through methods. Okay? Through methods. First of all, we need to discuss about this is the non-static method. If you want to declare static method, if you want to declare static method inside of the method, if you want to declare static keyword inside of the method, we no need to create object for the class. We no need to create object for the class. I no need to create. But how you guys are execute the code? How you guys are execute the static method? Is it clear or not? Static, non-static. If you want to declare any static keyword, it is very, very important. What is the difference between the static method and non-static method? If you want to declare static keyword inside of the method, we no need to create object for the class that is constant. Clear? The second step. Without creating the object for the class, how we can execute the code? Clear? Without creating object for the class, how we can execute the code? If you want to execute static method, we need to execute that method through class name. Before non-static, if you want to execute the local method, we need to create the object for the class. At the same time, we need to call the local method inside of the main method through object name. Through object name. Clear? Okay. Is it clear or not? Clear? Guys. Clear? See, static is nothing but a keyword. If you want to declare a static keyword inside of the method, we no need to create object for the class. It is clear? Okay. But how you guys are able to execute? If you want to execute the static method, that method you need to execute inside, you need to call inside of the main method through class name. Okay. Non-static method ki తప్పనిసరిగా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. స్టాటిక్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ అవసరం లేదు. ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాం మరి? Yes, we are able to execute. We need to execute through class name. Yeah, I will execute. See.
Is it clear? Still anybody is confused? Anybody is confused? You no need to declare any static keyword here. If you want to execute mobile, must and should you need to create the object for the class. That is constant. How you guys are able to execute mobile? You need to call the mobile inside of the main method through object name obj.mobile. Okay, coming to the static keyword. If you want to declare the static keyword inside of the method, we no need to create object for the class. But how you guys are able to execute? Huh? Through class name inside of the main method. That's it. You are able to understand or not? Clear or not? Clear? Everybody? అర్థం కాకపోతే వచ్చి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అడగండి చెప్తా. Yeah, very good, Priyanka. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Okay, I will continue tomorrow. Okay, if you have any doubts, stay here. I will explain. మెథడ్ నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. మెథడ్ నేను ఏమని చెప్తున్నాను? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయొద్దు అని.
అర్థమైంది. ఇది నేను కాల్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్
అది లేకుండా కూడా
వితౌట్ మెథడ్ కాలింగ్ కూడా ఎక్స్క్యూట్ అవుతుందా?
కానీ ప్రాసెస్ కాదు. ప్రాసెస్ ఏమో జావా రూల్ ప్రకారం ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, మనం రూల్ బ్రేక్ చేయాలి.
అంటే స్టాటిక్ కీవర్డ్ ఏ మెథడ్ లో అయితే యూజ్ చేస్తామో దానికి
దాన్ని ఎక్స్క్యూట్ చేయాలంటే క్లాస్
సార్ ఇప్పుడు స్టాటిక్ తెల్లడానికి అంటే ఇప్పుడు టైప్
Usha, definitely I will explain tomorrow static also. Okay.
స్టాటిక్ లో మనం మెయిన్ మెథడ్ స్టాటిక్ కాబట్టి ఒక మెథడ్ నేను అడమడం ఏంటంటే పబ్లిక్ స్టాటిక్ వాడడానికి మెథడ్ అంటే నాన్ స్టాటిక్ గా స్టాటిక్ చేసుకుంది. ఇప్పుడు పారామీటర్స్ చేయాలి సార్ మీరు థర్డ్ టైప్ లో ఇంటీజర్ పారామీటర్స్
అప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చింది
అక్కడ మనం ఓకే ల్యాప్టాప్ ఎక్లిప్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత సార్ అది డెస్క్టాప్ మీద ట్రాక్ చేస్తాం. ఆ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మనకు ఒక పాపప్
ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయొద్దు. ఓకే, డ్రాగ్ అండ్
చేసిన తర్వాత
షార్ట్ కట్ చేశారు. షార్ట్ కట్ చేయకూడదు. ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒక్క నిమిషం ఎక్లిప్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళేసి సింపుల్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్
అదే చేసాం సార్.
అది ఇంకొకటి మీకు పాపప్ ఒక ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది.
అవును, లైబ్రరీ
చిన్న లైబ్రరీ ఎందుకు వచ్చిందంటే మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసింది జేఆర్ జేడీకి జావా ఎక్లిప్స్ జావా
ఎక్లిప్స్ JRE డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి అందువల్ల కూడా ఇష్యూ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఒక పని చేయండి, ఓపెన్ చేసి
ఐడియా
ఇక్కడ కాదు అదే మన క్యాట్ నాకు అదే ఫస్ట్ లో మన అదే మనకి డౌట్ వచ్చింది. మీకు గూగుల్ క్లాస్ యాక్సెస్ ఉందా? ఈ రోజు లింక్ పంపిస్తాను.
Yeah, Gautami, download is not completed. Java download is not completed. If you are unable to complete the Java download, okay, Java download one pending, static is one pending. Okay, tomorrow first up, please text me. I will explain one more time, a little bit speed. Okay, Gautami. Create your project. Open చేసావా? కదా మన జావా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వచ్చి క్లిక్ చేయి. అక్కడ జావా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ జావా click finish. Okay. Open okay na? Java create చేసా, Java మీద వచ్చేసి ప్యాకేజ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ప్యాకేజ్ yes వైరస్ తర్వాత ప్యాకేజ్ లోపల లాస్ పబ్లిక్ స్టార్టింగ్ మెయిన్ ఆల్రెడీ ట్రాక్ చేసి ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ మెథడ్ లోపల పోయి తర్వాత క్లాస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి క్లాస్ లోపల ఓకేనా? ప్రతిసారి క్లాస్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ స్టోర్ చేయాలంటే తప్పనిసరిగా ప్రతిసారి క్లాస్ రాయాలంటే క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. Okay, thus you need to remove that one. You need to do a new thing. Okay, Eclipse.
The Eclipse is executable launch was unable to ఏం చేసావు చెప్పనా మీరు డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసిన తర్వాత డౌన్లోడ్ లో డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తాం
అవును
ఆ ఫోల్డర్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇంకో చోట అర్థమైంది చెప్పింది ఇప్పుడు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి ఎక్కడ చేశాను డౌన్లోడ్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి డౌన్లోడ్
అవును సార్
డౌన్ లో ఉన్నదాన్ని డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేశాను ఆ ఫోల్డర్ వెళ్ళి ఇంకో చోట పెట్టేశాను అది ఉన్నది ఒక చోట డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసి మరి ఇంకో చోట సో మళ్ళా డిలీట్ చేసేసింది ఇది డిలీట్ చేసింది ఇక్కడ సింబల్ ఎప్పుడైనా సింబల్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ సింబల్ ని డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేయాలి కానీ కాపీ పేస్ట్ అదే మీకు క్లియర్ చెప్పాను కదా అదే నేను అంటే సింబల్ ఎగిరిపోవడం కాదు డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసి దాంట్లో కట్ అయిపోయింది కట్ అయిపోయి నీకు పేస్ట్ అయింది తప్పనిసరిగా అది ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ ఉంటే నీకు మొత్తం ఇంకోసారి డౌన్లోడ్ చేయాలి పంచి ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నది కదా దీంట్లో కనెక్షన్ అది క్లోజ్ చేయమ్మా ఇంకా లోపల పెట్టి టైం అయిపోతుంది క్లాస్
దీన్ని ఇక్కడ ఉందా ఎక్లిప్స్ ఉందా రీఫ్రెష్ క్లియర్ అయింది ఉంది కదా ఒక్క నిమిషం చదువు అదే వర్క్ స్పేస్ నేను చెప్పాను కదా నిన్న మనం రాసిన కోడ్ మొత్తం ఆ లొకేషన్ లో స్టోర్ అయింది ఓకే ఈ లొకేషన్ ఓకేనా నీకు ఎక్కడంటే సి డ్రైవ్ లో డెల్ లో ఈ లొకేషన్ లో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది లాంచ్ కొట్టు అవసరం లేదు చెక్ బాక్స్ కొడితే పెద్ద దాఖలు రాదు మళ్ళీ అది యా షీతా నవాజ్ ఓకే yeah whatever you did in Primus Bank, same thing you guys are able to write. Okay, whatever you did in Primus Bank, tomorrow I will explain. Okay,